Welcome back to Caledonian Horticulture and a brand new growing season. And what better way to start the growing season than with some raised beds? So today we're going to be showing you how to build our raised bed sleeper kits, what goes with them and what you can use them for. So let's go get them. These are the raised bed sleeper kits. In front of me we have a medium, to the side here is a small size, and then here is the larger size. And the great thing about these kits is that not only do they come with all the screws that you need to build them, but all the compost too. So that's the Caledonian Horticulture topsoil and the green goodness. These kits also can be stacked, so if you're looking for more depth for growing, such as root vegetables, then you can buy 2 kits and stack them on top of each other. Again, it comes with all the compost you need, so you don't have to buy any extra. What we're going to do now is that we're going to go and pull one of these together, the medium size, so you can see how simple it is. Once you've finished building your raised beds, all you've got to do is fill it. Raised beds are incredibly versatile, and they are particularly helpful if you don't want to dig up your garden or you're gardening on a hard surface such as concrete, gravel or even a patio. So by having a sleeper kit like this that you fill with compost and doubling it up if you want more depth for those root vegetables, then you've got an exciting year ahead full of beautiful flowers and lots of delicious crops. I really hope that this video helped you out today.